Dude, I don't know how to do a British accent.
Oh, come on, Arvin. It's going to be funny.
All right,
Let's do it. Try it.
Hello, mates. Do you fancy having a football field in your back garden? Welcome to the channel. This is where I review and critique luxury homes. I tell you 3 things I like about it, 3 things I don't like about it in a really short video in 3 minutes so you can binge watch them right after each other. And in today's episode, we're going to review 23 Beverly Park Terrace, Beverly Hills Post Office, 9-bedroom, 14-bathroom, 28,000 square foot of living space, and over 3 acres of land for $70 million. Now, before I tell you 3 things I like about this property, the content of this video is purely my personal opinion. So if you have questions, you can contact the listing agent right over here. Okay, number 3, architectural style. It's English country style compound. It's beautiful, it's masculine, I absolutely love it. Number 2, lot utilization, lot orientation, lot everything. You got 3 acres, and then you have every item here. I will give it a 10. I mean, you have a beautiful driveway, you have amazing frontage, you have a huge freaking backyard, and then you have a football field as your side yard, okay? It's just amazing. It's a compound. Number 1 thing I love about this property is its location. Gated communities with crime shooting up through the roof, it's just becoming more and more desirable, and it doesn't get more secure than Beverly Park. And if you've never stepped foot in Beverly Park, that's precisely how it was planned. Okay, according to zipsmart.ai, median days on the market is 71 days in Beverly Hills, and that's dangerous. So with ZipSmart, it's a dashboard you can use to forecast home prices and see kind of if it's a good time to buy, if you should wait. We're launching version 3.0. It's gonna be a game changer. You'll be grandfathered in the lower prices when we raise the price for version 3.0. Okay, 3 things I don't like about this property. The price. Okay, there's a really good comp in this, and believe it or not, it also has a football field in only Beverly Park. Imagine 2 properties with football fields in the same. I mean, come on, it's just ridiculous how crazy this place is. But that one sold for $51 million. 10 acres though, much bigger land. Like, you have another 7 acres of land with that one. Sold for 51. The finishes were not up to par to this one, but it had more land. So its price definitely high. Number 2 is finishes. Now, even though the finishes of this one is better than last one, it's starting to show its age. You can kind of see that, especially in the bathroom, and it's just not up to par to today's standard. But the number 1 thing I don't like about this property, it's its palatial, what I call maximalism. It's just, it feels like a museum. I mean, you got neoclassical paintings, you know, up the cheesy, and it's just way too much. Now, you could argue, look, Arvin, there are still buyers out there, you know, coming from overseas, and they want that privacy because, you know, their home government is, you know, trying to prosecute them, and they need to park their money, and Beverly Park would be amazing for that, and you would be right. But considering, you know, against the popular opinion, most of these high-end homes are actually being bought by Americans. I don't see a really wealthy family, American family, gravitating towards this architectural style, especially on the interior. So that, for me, makes the buyer pool much smaller. Now, if you want to know how much I would pay for this, you can contact me right here. I would love to be a resource to you. And look at this. Look all around me. You see all these boxes? You can click on one of them. They're so fun. Just click on one. You can watch this video or this video. There's a ZipSmart somewhere around here.
Pick one, anyone you like.
Pick your poison, okay? I'll see you in the next one.